A kit SKU in Zenventory is considered a parent SKU. It doesn't have stock quantity of its own. Instead, it is comprised of a list of component SKU items. When an order is received into Zenventory containing a kit SKU, it is fulfilled by the component SKUs that are part of the kit. Let's get started. Navigate to the Admin tab and click on Items. Kit SKUs begin like any other SKU. You can click to add new item or click the Edit button beside an existing item to convert it to a kit. On the right side, check the Kit attribute box and click Save this item. Next, click on Bill of Materials to begin adding components. Search to add additional SKUs included in your kit. Be sure to set the correct quantity for each. Save your entry when complete to finalize the kit. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to create a kit and bundle.